Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Hadian ba kanong ba Shillong kalamat ya ka Jingbom don shu ka Shongsuk Shongsan. Hadian ba prangut ki barjala ki la sha dung klep Dangshen ha yodo kad hado ba ki borsen shar jong ka East Hills District ki la habban penjari da ka curfew nakaliang jong ka Sorkar jala ka dang yai Peitngor ba hado gini sngi ya ka Jinglong Jingman hapo kanong ba khnang ban wanra biang ya ka Shongsuk Shongsan hapo kanong ba Shillong. Menteri Ramba ka Jala Conrad ke Sangma ka jinge kren bat kilat patai kubor ha ka new tarik ulber arjar arpo ulaya thu ba ka Sorkar Jala lengba ka tanat kampo yeng kala lum jingkhain tik patik ya kinu ki jingja khnang ban sngotu hadu katnu ka Shongsuk Shongsan kala wan phai biang shapo ka nongba Shillong.
The law and order situation is very much under control, and in the past 24 hours there have not been any incidents. And we are further reviewing it again in the evening to decide on the different curfews that have been imposed. And I think by the night time we'll be able to come to a final conclusion on that. But overall, the situation in the state has been very much under control and no incidents taking place, and things have been quite peaceful. Overall, we've been very clear that number one, when it comes to the overall law and order situation, the government will always ensure that all measures are kept in place. And that we will not bring it down in any way, but we are also concerned about the way the lives are being affected of normal citizens, the livelihood of a lot of farmers who come to sell vegetables in Shillong, and the different kind of people whose livelihoods are affected because of different kind of curfews that are imposed. So all those things we are trying to balance out and ensure that the mechanisms are in place, but minimum inconvenience is caused to the people.